You need a Dreamy Haze film grain effect in Adobe Photoshop completely for free.
Drag on the image that you would want to use in Adobe Photoshop CC. Click on the main image and type W on your keyboard and click Select Subject. Right click on the image, Layer via New Copy, and you should have a new copy of the image like so. Click on the image and then go to Filter Blur, Box Blur, and then do this and have this 3 pixels. And then go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise, 8%, Uniform, and Monochromatic if you would like. And then we'll keep it like this, click OK. Next go under and click the circle icon right here, and then select Gradient. Under Gradient, click the drop down arrow and scroll down until you see Neutral. And then select the third option here and click OK. If it's underneath your layer, then drag it all the way above your image, and then click the drop down arrow right here under the Layers panel and click Darken. You can change the opacity if it's too much of an effect by dragging this to the right, and let's say we'll have it at 80%. Next click this right here and then click Curves, and then click right here to create a point and create another point right here, and then drag this down, which it adds more of a contrast or a punch, and then drag this up, and as you can see it adjusts the highlights. Select our image one more time, and then let's go under to Filter, add in another blur immersion, blur 90 degrees, and then 3 pixels, and then click OK. This is the before and this is the after.
Thanks for watching. Check out more of the content on the channel. Follow for more